The 10 Best XLR Cables. A shorted-out XLR cable is an audio engineer's worst nightmare, as it is capable of derailing a big show or delaying an important recording session. Along with proper equipment upkeep, a reliable choice will prevent such failures and keep the music playing. The conductive and insulating materials used, as well as the physical stiffness, are worthwhile factors to consider for your application. The list starts from Conair Star Quad, a cult favorite among talented engineers. The Conair Star Quad, about $33, comes in an incredibly varied selection of lengths, perfect for the precise execution of a new studio configuration. It's specifically designed to preserve a microphone input on its way to the soundboard. Soft and supple feel, dependable Nutrigold connectors, but remarkably high price. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Monoprice 4-channel, commonly known as Snake. The Monoprice 4-channel, about $23, is practically a necessity when organizing any moderately sized or large venue, as well as for many recording endeavors. This highly useful patch will consolidate 4 XLRs for up to 20 feet. Especially affordable for this type. Brightly color-coded ends, but unnecessary for small applications. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Hosa EBU, though not from an instantly recognizable company. The Hosa EBU, around $16, is an affordable, but high-fidelity option. It fills in admirably for much more expensive, high-impedance choices that many advanced solid-state amplifiers require. Braided shielding reduces noise, ideal for cutting-edge Line 6 amps. But durability isn't the best. Well, here is the 7th one. Monoprice 22-gauge, with aluminum foil shielding its durable copper core. The Monoprice 22-gauge, about $15, has about as little effect on the signal as anything out there. Made by a quality, yet budget-friendly, company, it's as affordable as it is effective. Backed by a lifetime warranty. Great for digital or analog setups. But construction of connectors not great. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Whirlwind MK series, aimed squarely at live performers who are prone to jumping around on stage. The Whirlwind MK series, about $34, is especially flexible and quite durable. It also resists the vibration-based interference that comes from impacts during a show. Can last years with proper care, for use with analog systems only, but middle-of-the-road price. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, GLS Audio. Sporting the company's iconic tweed jacket. One of the obvious advantages of this offering by GLS Audio, APPX, $16, is that you won't have to worry about another musician or sound tech accidentally snagging your cable at a gig. Appearances aside, it's also reliable and inexpensive. Double strain relief at each end. Flexible braiding is durable, but rubber grommet keeps connection firm. Customers are king, and according to them one should buy this one. Proco Xleans. The plugs are often the first components to wear out, but the high-end Nutric connectors on the Proco Xleans, APPX, $25, guarantee a long life with no static or buzzing. A lifetime warranty against manufacturing problems provides buyers with total confidence in their purchase. Crafted of twisted 24-gauge wire. Good balance of cost and performance, but flexible enough for on-stage use. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Mogami Studio. The Mogami Studio, APPX, $50, features solid gold prongs inside its connectors, eliminating the worries of corroded or oxidized surfaces. It sounds great in a traditional studio setup. However, it's a bit too stiff for live performance use. A household name among professionals. Uses a 4-wire core, but available in lengths up to 100 feet. According to reviews, the second best product is Lix Pro Quad Series, built to accurately carry the most sensitive and subtle of sounds. The Lix Pro Quad Series, about $49, uses twice the conductors of most others, increasing the signal-to-noise ratio and helping you come out on top in the battle against distortion. Gold-plated contact surfaces, high-quality metal connectors, but right-angled model also available. Now here is our best of best the king product, Mogami AES. Some technicians swear that the precious metals in models like the Mogami AES APPX $77 deliver the cleanest connection possible, and whether or not that's true, this is certainly a top-of-the-line choice from a renowned audiophile level company, sold in 3 to 50-foot lengths, ideal for professional studios, but offers pristine data transmission.